So we have the differential equation given by derivative of y with respect to x plus 1 plus y squared whole divided by y is equals to 0. So let's write the differential equation in terms of dy over dx. So dy over dx will be equals to negative 1 plus y squared whole divided by y. Now we take the reciprocal on both sides. Now that should give us dx over dy is equals to negative y divided by 1 plus y squared. Now we separate the differentials. So that should give us dx is equals to negative y divided by 1 plus y squared dy. Now this is in the separable form. We'll integrate both sides. So we'll have integration dx is equals to negative integration of y dy divided by 1 plus y squared. Right? Now to perform the integration on the right hand side, we're going to multiply with 2 and also we are going to divide with 2 so that we can make or use of the substitution method. That is, if we take 1 plus y squared equals to some other variable t, let's say, then we should get the numerator. So that's left as an exercise. So we should get x is equals to negative half times natural log of 1 plus y squared plus the constant of integration c. So this is the required answer.